Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I edit my videos in CapCut using a graphic design style. The kind of edits that look clean, modern, and super aesthetic, almost like they were designed in Canva or Photoshop. So if you love minimalist motion graphics, creative text overlay, and smooth animations, stick around because I'll walk you through everything step by step. Alright, let's first open CapCut and start a new project. You can just choose your video clips or even just a blank background if you want to make a pure graphic motion video. So I'm going to just use a blank background. Here I'm going to use this yellow color in here for the background. So I usually work with 16 by 9 format for YouTube or 9 by 16 if I'm making reels or shorts. So once your base is ready, you can just set your background color like this. I'm using yellow. And now we're going to add some text. You can just add, click on text and then add text and just write the text that you want. I'm going to just go with hello. And for the fonts, you need to use modern bold fonts like Montserrat, Poppins, or Bebas New. I'm going to just use Montserrat in here. Then change the color to how you prefer it. I'm going to use black. Click on a check icon and keep your text minimal, maybe 1 or 2 lines with a pop of color. I'm going to put it in here, and then now you can go to stickers and or shapes and start laying simple design elements. So you can go with rectangles, circles, or icons. I'm going to go with circle. Okay, I'm going to use this red silker right here. Let's make it bigger. Okay, I'm going to put on the text inside the circle like this. So now comes the fun part, animation. So select each text or shapes and then you can just tap on animations in here. I'm going to go with, let's try, okay, I'm going to go with the jiggle here and adjust the durations to 1 second. And for the text in here, I'm going to also use the loop here, and let's try the wave. Okay, and I'm going to make it slower. Click on a check icon. So beside this, I also recommend using subtle animations like maybe fade in, slide up, or pop. You can combine that with graph editing to make the movement feel natural and bouncy. You can even layer multiple elements to create that professional graphic motion effects. And for color palette and visual balance, so when editing in a graphic design style, your color palette matters a lot. So you need to choose 2 to 3 main colors only, 1 background, 1 text color, and also 1 accent color for highlights or shapes. So in this case, for background, I'm using yellow, and for the accent, I'm using red, and for the text color, I'm using black. And now let's bring it all together with music. You can go to audio and sounds, and you can pick something chill or upbeat that fits your design mood. For example, I'm going to just use this one in here. Click on the plus button. Then I'm going to trim the audio in here. just like this so that it fits with the background and the other elements. Oops. Okay. And after that, you can also sync your animations with the beat by zooming in to the timeline and adjusting keyframes. This will make your edit feel rhythmic or professional. And you can also add a light overlay or motion blur for that cinematic finish. So that's how you can edit videos in CapCut using a graphic design styles, clean, modern, and super aesthetic. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to also subscribe and click on the thanks. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep creating, keep designing. Bye.